In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in WordPress. Whether you're blogging, managing a website for business, or creating content for personal projects, getting your visuals right is an essential part of engaging your audience. The process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it together, step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage your website's content, from writing posts to updating pages and everything in between. Once you're in, head over to either the Pages or Posts section, depending on where you want to work. Click on Edit to open the page or post where you'd like to add or modify an image. If you're starting fresh with a new image, you'll add an image block. Otherwise, click on an existing image you want to adjust. WordPress uses a block system, which means each piece of content is in its own space. This makes editing more user-friendly and visually intuitive. Now that you've got your image selected, it's time to center it. Click on the image to bring up the block toolbar. This is where you have options to tweak the position, size, and more. Look for the alignment icon, which looks like a group of horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Clicking this will give you a few choices for aligning your image. From here, choose Center. This ensures that your image is prominently and evenly placed on your page or post, making it more visually appealing to your audience. And just like that, your image is now centered on the page or post. This small adjustment can make a big difference in the overall look of your content. Centering images can often enhance the aesthetic flow and balance, giving your text and visuals a harmonious alignment that's pleasing to the eye. As you continue to work on your WordPress site, remember that these minor tweaks can significantly impact your content's presentation, improving reader engagement, and the overall user experience. That wraps up today's tutorial on centering your image in WordPress. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are now feeling more confident in your ability to manage and edit your site's visuals. As you practice and familiarize yourself with WordPress's interface, you'll find yourself becoming more adept at these tasks, allowing you to focus more on the content you're passionate about creating and sharing. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment down below. Happy editing!